Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a flip through of my design team project for Happiness in Crafting for August, and I am using the With a Touch of Lace collection. This is a folio. It's really cute, and when I saw this I was like, I have to make one of those. This collection is florals and a touch of lace, and it's perfect for if you have a little bit of that lace that you've been saving that you don't want to use up, but you just have a little bit of it. This would be the perfect project because there's lace in the collection and you don't need to add much. You don't have to add any actually, because Gi has done a wonderful job of putting it here and there. It's just a really fabulous collection. So anyway, I have a seam binding closure that is completely removable. On the folio itself measures 9 by 6 by about 3/4 of an inch. It is made from craft card, and I've used the beautiful papers from the collection. I do have a pocket here on the front. This is the collage page from the collection. Use one of the journal cards to make a little pocket here. This was actually a piece that I trimmed off of something else, and I thought it would be perfect there. I've added a little heart embroidery piece. I've got some tags here. These are from the ephemera pages, some postcard, just places to write. I have backed them all with one of the background pages, and then I just stuck a little tag in here because I liked it. Okay, have a little cutoff here for it says live, create, tell the story, and those are Tim Holtz words. I don't remember what they're called, and a little bit of bling here and there. So this opens up. As I said, it is a folio. I've got a couple of pockets here. On this pocket we've got a couple more tags, and there again they're backed and can be journaled on. We've got another little journal card there, and I've just added a little ticket. On this side I've got a pocket as well, and I've got a skinnier tag there, a little postcard, another postcard, and I've got a little ticket there. This one has some little tulips, and then this is a little booklet that I've made with some coffee dyed paper. I've just taken 2 of the journal cards and I put a piece of fabric, some lace, and some bling on the top, and then I'm just tucking that into the pocket there. Now I don't think I'm going to get this whole thing in at one time, so I'm going to pull it over this way. This will open, and we have another pocket here. I've added some lace because the other pockets had lace and this one didn't, so there's my touch of lace. I've taken some of the cut-offs that I had and just made a little booklet here, added some lace and bling there, and then a couple of other little journal cards tucked in as well, and then a tiny little ticket tag. The journal is completely removable. It's just tied in with a piece of seam binding. I've got a couple of pages of coffee dyed paper, another designer page, more coffee dyed paper, really for writing, because all of the ephemera is in the folio itself. And then the center pages are pockets so that you can tuck things in there if you feel so led. And I have a couple of sheets left of background pages that I might just stick in there. And so there you go. There's the other rest of that. So in the center here, or actually I guess I should slide over here. Here's the other side of this, and then when you open it, there is a pocket here with some more tags and little ticket journal cards. But in the middle we have kind of a corner cut pocket here, and I thought about putting some pockets on here, but everything that I put on top I didn't like because I loved these papers, so I've just left those. So inside here we have some writing paper that I have just folded in half, and there's 4 sheets of those there, and those are just tucked into that pocket. And then I took some of the other background pages and made envelopes. These do have designs on the inside, so there's a couple of envelopes there. I love this, and I have reinforced all of the folds with a piece of linen. So, and then that just folds like that and folds like that. You can see where the 2 pages come together, and then we've just tied a bow on the side. This one was really fast and fun to make. Perfect with Gi's collection. That collection again is A Touch of Lace. All the information for this collection will be in the description box. So I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.